Welcome back to Vidyanagar online classroom. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I am your Arabic teacher, Fadl al-Malik. We are again after first periodic test with our new chapter in the second unit. Interesting chapter, الطائر الوطني. الطائر الوطني, national bird. This is national bird, طاووس. Have you seen طاووس, peacock? It's so beautiful, no? جميل, طاووس جميل. Okay, take your book, page number 28. 28. Ready? Okay. الطائر الوطني, national bird. أنا طاووس. أنا طاووس. I am peacock. أنا طاووس. I'm peacock. Do you see peacock here? Yeah, so beautiful. أنا طائر جميل. أنا طائر جميل. I'm beautiful bird. I'm beautiful bird. ريشي ملون. ريشي ملون. What is ريش? This is ريش. ريش, feather. ملون, colorful. ريشي ملون. My feather is colorful. My feather is colorful. أنا موجود في أمكنة كثيرة. أنا موجود في أمكنة كثيرة. I'm existing, I'm available in many places. أمكنة, places. كثيرة, many. I'm available in many places. Okay, I'm existing in many places. أسكن. أسكن, I live. Where I live? الغابة. I live in the jungle. I live in the غابة, forest, jungle. Do you remember you have studied in the previous chapter? أسد في الغابة, lion in the jungle. Do you remember? Yes. أسكن في الغابة, I live in the jungle. أنشر ريشي. أنشر ريشي, I open my feather like this. Have you ever seen that peacock open its feather very beautifully? It's so beautiful, that moment. Is it? Yeah. Anshuru, I open. Rishi, my feather. When I open it, Indal farahi was surur, in joy and happiness. In joy and happiness. When I feel happy, when I feel joyful, I open my feather in joy and happiness. Okay? رقصي منظر جميل. رقص, dancing. Dance, رقص. رقصي, my dancing. My dance. منظر. منظر جميل, beautiful sight. Okay, منظر جميل. صوتي لذيذ. صوتي لذيذ. My sound, my voice sweet. My voice sweet. صوتي لذيذ. Have you ever heard the sound of peacock? Didn't? Haven't? Then here it's listen to the sound of peacock. How is it? Very beautiful, no? Very sweet. Okay. صوتي لذيذ. My voice is sweet. لذيذ. وأنا الطائر الوطني للهند. وأنا الطائر الوطني للهند. I'm national bird of India. I'm national bird of India. This is our chapter. Peacock, national bird. طاووس. طاووس. Okay? Okay. Now, in your textbook, in the next page, you can see a small exercise. In that exercise, you identify which statements are true and false. True or false. Page number 29. 29. ريش الطاووس أسود. Feather of peacock is black. Is it correct? No. False. Wrong. Then you can either put the wrong sign symbol or you can write خطأ. صواب, right answer. خطأ, wrong answer. So you can write خطأ. How will you write خطأ? It's in the textbook, in the questions. You can understand that. Number 2. يرقص الطائر طاووس عند الفرح. يرقص الطاووس عند الفرح. Peacock dance when it feel happy. Correct. صواب, tick mark. صواب. Third one. الطاووس حيوان جميل. Peacock is beautiful animal. Wrong. Beautiful bird. So write خطأ. And the last final. الطاووس موجود في كيرلا. It is correct because الطاووس موجود في كيرلا. Peacock is available, visible in the state of Kerala. Okay, dear students, our new chapter الطائر الوطني is finished, and our duty is reading practice. Only 3 lines you read many times, minimum 5, and you able to read alone in your house. At the time of live session, I will ask you to read. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Bye.